seen how rusted it is? This is it. Look at how dirty it is. It's very rough. It's blunt. So what you do is just place your magnet. So after this now we'll test it. So you now use your book, get your chemical. Have you seen? I've still not off the machine. You apply your chemical. Very easy. Look at it now. This now is shining. So we have to do it one more time. So that we get off with the blade. So we can test it. The blade is ready now. This is it. See how it's shining. It's ready now. It's ready to be used. This is it. Ready now. Ready for use. So now what we have to do next to test the blade. You keep your magnet. Clean the blade. Clean your hands. Then what you need to do next is you wash your hands. Clean your hands. You off the machine. So this is it. You have the machine now. This is the blade. 2 pairs of blade we sharp. So put in the chemical oil for it to be washed. You're not washing it. See wonders, wonders, wonders. This is the rusted blade. See the surface of this rusted blade shining out like a new blade. The rusted blade. You see? That blade there was very, you see the front side. This side was just like this. But now see the wonders. This is it. See what this machine can do. What this machine cannot do, other machines cannot do. This is it. This is the multi-cut blade. We sharp. You see? So this is the washing process. That was rust. See? Washing it in the oil. Look at it now. Look at the surface now. Glittering. Wow. This is what the machine can do. But showing you picture. This is the video, the real video. Haha. Needs no proof again. This is a clipper. So we have to test now. See, I'm cleaning my hand. Get our clipper, then this is the blade, the rusted blade. See how it's shining now because I've washed it in oil. Look at the surface. I place it on the clipper to let you know that no matter how rust is the blade, no matter how corrosive as in the blade as rusted, the machine can still sharpen it. So this is it, a rusted blade. See how it's shining like a new blade. From the front side, you know that indeed it was a rusted blade. So you now bring your nut. This is a screwdriver you tie. Wow. Get your hair. On the clipper. See? Have you seen? This now is cutting the hair. Without stress. without stress, no stress. You see, no stress. Very sharp blade. Very sharp. See, very sharp. No stress. Let me get the bigger one. You see, I'm cutting this place now. You see? You see? Very sharp. You see? You see? You see? You see? Very sharp. That's it. That's the rusted blade that was very dirty. See how clean it is now. You see? So we are done with the testing of this one. Let's test this other blade too. Wow, thank you. Much work done very easy. Much work done very easy. Wow. That's the rusted blade. See how it's shining now. So now we go to this other blade. We clean it with our little towel. Place it on the clipper. You get this other one. Clean it a little. Man, wow, excellent. Tie the blade on the clipper. Little setting of the blade. Just a little setting. Wow, this is it. See, the clipper is steaming. Wonders. You see? You see? You see? You see? That's it. So that's it. You see? You see? You see? You see? Cutting perfectly. That's the multi-core blade. That's it. Wow, his work is very smooth. Much work done in a little while because of this machine. You see? Because of this machine. This is Saloon Affairs technology. That's it. You see? This is the blade. See, we have tested the two blades. Tested this. This is Shoba, rusted Shoba blade. This is it. Shoba. Rusted shoba blade, but you saw how it was cutting very well. And this is multi-cut blade. This blade has already worn out. On a normal day, you would have thrown it out, but I just want to use it so that you know the efficacy of the machine, that no matter how blades are, they will still work perfectly in as much as it undergo proper sharpening. Thank you.